How to fix Instagram only allowing 3 hashtags on Caption. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Instagram issue where you can only add 3 hashtags to your caption. So if Instagram isn't letting you use more hashtags, just follow along step by step to solve it. All right, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, tap on Manage Apps. From here, look for Instagram in the list, or tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Once it appears, tap on it to open the Instagram app settings. Once you're inside the app info page, tap Force Stop, then hit OK to confirm. This fully restarts the app in the background. Next, tap Storage. Here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then Clear Cache, and confirm. Now don't worry, this won't delete your account or data. It just removes temporary files that might be causing the problem. Now, let's make sure your Instagram is up to date. Go back to your home screen and open the Play Store. Tap the search bar, then type Instagram, and if you see an update button, make sure to update the app to the latest version. When the update finishes, restart your phone. Just power it off and turn it back on. This helps everything refresh properly. If you tried everything and the issue still pops up, there's one last solution. Uninstall the Instagram app completely and then reinstall it from the Play Store. A fresh install usually clears any leftover glitches. And that's it. After doing all these steps, you should be able to add more than 3 hashtags again without any issues. If you still have questions about this problem, drop a comment and I'll help you out.